Welcome back to Miss Kim's Home and Garden. Today I'll be taking this brick patio up and resetting it. I originally put this brick patio in a few years back, and I had only put down a weed barrier to prevent the weeds and grass from coming up. I am now going to take up this brick and reset a new patio and lay it in permanently. I see Houdini Bodini has come for a visit, unless he's planning on helping me do the brick patio. Now all the brick is up. I went ahead and hosed down all the brick and got all the mud and debris off the bricks. The paver base down, and I'm going to tap it in with a heavy weight. I'm now going to lightly spray it with the hose. And I see my supervisors watching me. Bailey girl. I will now let the paver base sit overnight to harden up. I'm now ready for the paver sand. Now time to put the Patio Pals on top of the paver sand. It's the first time I've used Patio Pal. Patio Pals come with 10 to a package, and each Patio Pal holds 8 bricks, and you can do whatever type of design you want. And so far, I'm liking Patio Pal because it's giving me the proper spacing between the bricks. Okay, the Patio Pals are down, the bricks are laid, and I'm ready to do the next step. I've added the polymeric sand, and I'm sweeping it into all of the joints. It's windy here today. I'm going to use the leaf blower to blow all the excess sand off the bricks. I went ahead and sprayed down the patio with the hose on the shower setting. I then used the leaf blower to blow off all the excess water off the patio. Looks good. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.